Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board brand new Scout 281 XSS. It's their new bay boat. You'll see in the photos the boat is optioned out with the gray, shark gray hull sides. For power, we've put the V10 400 on here with jack plate. This is done in the Pearl Fusion white to match the Scout gel coat. Nice big casting platform here at the transom of the boat. All of your lids and seat backrests fold down. It's outfitted with the SeaDek matting for comfort there and grip. On both the port and starboard sides, you have fish boxes. At the transom, you have designated fender storage. And just forward of that, the backrest lifts up for your aft seating. Nice high back support, great height for knee and comfort. Here at the helm, you've got two really nice forward-facing helm seats, flip-down armrests, flip-up bolsters. Behind that, you have the live well, fresh and raw water washdowns, Yeti cooler that slides out for ease of use there. Underneath each gunwale, you're going to have designated rod storage, designated tackle storage here underneath the helm seats. This boat is equipped with the Midnight Edition, so it gives you the black powder coat on the grab handles and hardtop stanchions, full glass both sides and front with the windshield wiper. It's outfitted with dual 12-inch Garmin screens, zip wake for your trim tabs, jack plate controls, the black Edson wheel to go with the Midnight Edition. You have two wireless phone chargers, and they also hold the phone in place. Digital throttle and shift. Like I'd mentioned earlier, flip down bolsters and armrests. Really comfortable boat to sit in. Nice deep footrest here at the helm. Great visibility over the helm. Boat's outfitted with the VHF radio and your Mercury SmartCraft gauges. Also has the upgraded stereo system. Fender clips, both port and starboard sides. Really nice access to your head. Here, this is outfitted with the vacuum flush head. Does have a bow sunshade that'll clip to the hardtop and go up to the bow of the boat. Nice lounger here and forward of the console with flip down armrests. You do get a great amount of storage underneath this as well, and it does have a drain built in, so you can use this as your onboard fish box. And both port and starboard sides have nice storage underneath the seats. Gas strut assisted, so really easy to use. Integrated backrests, and then a nice storage compartment here. Another big casting platform on the bow of the boat, and we did outfit this one with the Garmin trolling motor factory installed. That's a real quick look at our Scout 281 XSS. If you'd like to get some more information on this boat, give us a call at 910-256-8100.